These are some of the screenshots of WhatsApp conversations made with my students who are able to make a successful career switch from different backgrounds. So I got students who are working professionals, they're able to make a successful career switch into AI or data related roles like data engineering, data analytics, and data science. And there are certain students who are studying their masters in US, UK, so like in UAE and Australia, they are able to make a successful career switch into again AI and data careers. And there are certain working professionals, so who are managers especially, and they are also able to make a career switch by preserving their designation, experience, and they are able to get a good salary hike as well. And there are career gap people, so there are like people who are unable to work in IT for maybe like 3 to 4 years back, and they're able to resume their IT careers with the help of my mentorship. So now what I will be doing in my mentorship going to be, I study your background, I understand your goal within how many days or within how many months you want to make a career switch. And based on that, are you learning any course? Are you learning self study? So, based on that, I try to provide you with a proper mentorship or proper career transition plan. And based on that plan, I constantly monitor you regarding how exactly you're preparing. So, are your skills job ready? So, again, is your resume good? So, is your resume getting shortlisted? And I correct your resume. And in case of while you're going to an interview as well, I correct your interview related ideas as well. So how exactly you are speaking in the interviews and how exactly your explanation towards what are the mistakes you're making. So I'll be doing mentorship until you get placed, and even post placement as well. I'll be guiding you on your guidance related to your job work. So this is the overall mentorship which I do. In case if you want to know about how exactly to make a successful career switch into AI or data careers, you can book a one-on-one career transition plan with me so that I can guide you towards a successful career switch. The links are in the description.